Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to use the Atlas reward credit card travel assistance benefits for trip delays. All right, it's gonna be a quick video. As I said, we're not gonna waste too much time on this topic. Just gonna give you guys a quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do, of course, is to log into your Atlas account, which you can do on the online banking platform. That's the Atlas website, or you could log in on the Atlas mobile app on your mobile device. Now, once you're logged into your account using your password and username, of course, you're just going to select the credit card accounts that you want to use the travel assistance benefits for from the account dashboard. Now, once you have that selected, you're just going to click on travel assistance, and then you're going to review the benefits details. After the review is done, you want to contact the travel assistance provider to request assistance with trip delays. And you're going to need to provide documentations to support the request, such as travel itineraries or hotel reservations. And you're going to receive assistance with trip delays, such as flight rebooking or hotel accommodations from Atlas. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Atlas reward credit card travel assistance benefits for trip delays. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will catch you guys in the next one.